Hello everyone, in this video we will learn communication network. First unit name is fundamentals and link layer. First important question, International Standard Organization ISO Open System Interconnection OSI layer model. This is the important diagram. See this diagram, totally 7 layers are there in transmitter side and receiver side. First physical layer, data link layer, network layer, transport station, presentation, application. These 7 layers contain 3 parts. Layer 1, 2, 3 are network support layer. Layer 5, 6, 7 are user support layer. Layer 4 is end-to-end reliable data transmission. See this, layer 1, 2, 3 is this physical data link network are 1, 2, 3. These 3 are network support layer. And station layer, presentation layer, application layer 5, 6, 7 layer. These are user support layer. And fourth one is transport, end-to-end reliable data transmission. For example, let's consider you want to combine the software and hardware. You need intermediate source. That intermediate source is transport layer. These 3 are hardware, and session layer, presentation layer, application layers are software. You need to combine this hardware and software. That you need intermediate source. That source is transport layer. Okay, each and every layer having different work. First, physical layer. Physical layer sends the data to the transmission medium. That is the physical layer work. Okay, next, data link layer. Data link layer work is it sends the data without any error. That work is data link layer. If any error occurred, means that error can be rectified by the transport layer. Okay, physical layer work is it sends the data through the transmission medium. Data link layers use sending the data without any error. It can be sent. That work is data link layer. Network layer, you are sending data. That data can be flowing through packet format. That conversion of packet format work is network work. Network layer work. Okay, transport layer. See this, you are sending data. That data can be, if the data can be breaked in transmission medium, you need to segment and reassemble the data. That work is transport layer work. Okay, session layer. Session layer means if you're doing any work, you need to guide. It's like monitoring. The whole OSI layer can be monitored by session layer. Second, presentation layer. If you send any data, that data can be encoded, encrypted, compressed data. That data can be decrypted. Then only user can understand. That work is presentation layer. And finally, application layer. Application layer work is that decrypted data can be converted to user understandable language. That work is application layer. Totally 7 layers contain. That 7 layers contain 3 parts. Layer 1, 2, 3 are network support layer. Layer 4 is end-to-end reliable data. Layer 5, 6, 7 are user support layer. The physical layer work is it sends the data through transmission medium. That work is physical layer work. Next, data link layer work is it sends the data without any error. That work is data link layer. And third one, network layer. That data can be sending through packet format. That packet format conversion works are network layer work. And fourth one, transport layer. Transport layer work is if you are sending data, that data can be breaked in between transmission medium. The data can be reassembled and in correct segment. That reassembling work can be done by transport layer. Okay, session layer. This whole OSI layer maintained by session layer. It's like guiding that how to send the data. Okay, presentation layer mean if you send data, the data can be encrypted, decoded, compressed data. Encrypted, compressed data. The data again decoded, decrypted and uncompressed data. Then only user will understand. That work is presentation layer work. Okay, finally application layer. The decoded, decrypted and compressed data can be changed to user understandable language. That work is application work. These are 7 layers. This note I will update in the description box. Thanks for watching this video. Next video we see next another important question. Thank you. This is important diagram.